Hello friends, you're welcome to my complete Java course. In today's video lecture, we are going to learn this keyword in Java. So let's start to understand what is this keyword and how to use this keywords in Java. So this and super keywords in Java. So what is the definition of this? This keywords points to a reference of the current class, while super keyword points to a reference of the parent class. It means this represents the object of a current class, and super keyword point to the object of the parent class. So you can access every field or method of the current class or a subclass by using this keyword, and you can call every field and method of the superclass by help of super keyword. This can be used to access variables and method of the current class, and super can be used to access variables and methods of the parent class from the subclass. So here you can see an example. Suppose we have a class A. In this class A, we have defined two property: public int x equal to 0, public int y equal to 0. Now we create another class, class B, which extends class A. It means class A is a parent class or superclass, and class B is the child class or a subclass, in which we also define two variable x and y. So x and y is the variable of class B, and if we are we are extending class A, so also this x and y also, so these are the parents class variable, and this is the child class variable. Now instance variable x and y are shadowed by parameters of the constructor, like B class constructor. We passing x and y value, and we are initializing the x and y value. And here we are creating a method print, which is basically print the x and y value. And for printing the superclass x and y value, we will use super dot x and super dot y. So it will print the superclass variable, which is 0 0, and this will print the subclass or the current class, which is current class is the B class, and this represent the current class object means a B class object. So you are accessing the x, this dot x means you are initializing the value of this x by assigning this x value, which we are passing when we are creating the object of B class. So if you run this program, you will get the output of print method. So output will be base class 1 and 2, value of x and y is 1 and 2, and the value of superclass x and y variable is 0 0, because this is the superclass variables and this is the subclass variables. So for accessing any method or any variable of the parent class, you will use a super keywords. For accessing a subclass or current class, you will use this keyword. So before this, I will show you practically how this program will work on the Eclipse IDE. So let's go for the practical part. So here we have defined a class A with two variables, class B, which is extending class A, and class B has its own variable int x and y, and we are accessing this B class of B class variable by using the this keyword, and we will access a superclass variable by using the super keywords. So if you run this program, you will get the output. So superclass xy value is 0 0, and the base class value is 1 and 2. So let's see one more thing. Suppose if you define one method within the superclass, like public void uh, print hello and say so. Okay, now if you call this, if you want to call this print hello method from the subclass, so you will call by using the b dot, you can call super dot print hello. So now you can call the print hello method of the superclass by using the super keywords. So if you run this program, you will get print hello. So for the accessing of any superclass, you will call the hello. Suppose if you define a method in the B class, or we can say the subclass, like suppose we create the same method, print hello subclass. Okay, now if you want to call this, so you need not to create the object, because this represent the current class object. So this means is you are creating the object of the B class. So if you want to call this method, or suppose this is the same method in the subclass, so now I think you will understand the print hello method in the superclass and the subclass is same. But now if you want to call the subclass or the B class hello print hello method, then what will you do? You will do this dot print hello, this method. Now it will print hello subclass class B. Okay, now you will run, you will get the output print hello class B. So now I hope now you are able to understand what is the difference between this and this. So basically this is used for the accessing the current class or subclass methods or variables, and super is used for the accessing superclass method or variables. So friends, thank you for watching this video lecture. I hope you understand what is the difference between this keyword and super keywords. So thank you for watching this video lecture, and watch my next video lecture for learning new things in Java.